the enchanting era of black and white animation, where magic unfolded frame by frame. Steamboat Willie, a masterpiece that not only etched itself into the hearts of audiences, but also set the stage for the incredible world of Disney as we know it today. But what if I told you the copyright has expired, and Steamboat Willie is now part of the public domain? So yeah, we can use it and make money from it. And not only Steamboat Willie, no, there are thousands of public domain files we can use to our benefit. Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize public domain files with AI and make money from it. We are going to create an amazing video using the public domain and AI for your Faceless YouTube channel. So are you excited? Well, let's go. Let's first talk about Mickey Mouse, public domain and copyright. Well, these articles piqued my interest, and yes, Disney's earliest Mickey and Minnie Mouse are now in the public domain as the US copyright expires. What does that mean? Well, the public domain refers to creative materials that are not protected by intellectual property laws such as copyright, trademark, or patent laws. The public owns these works, not an individual author or artist. Anyone can use a public domain work without obtaining permission, but no one can ever own it. But does that mean we can make money from public domain content? Well, I did some research, and yes, we can make money from public domain content. I think the most important part is that we also need to add some value to the public domain content in order to become successful. I will show you all that in this video. The only question that remains is, where can we find all the public domain content? Well, I did some research again, and I found the website called the Internet Archive to be the best one. So let's go there and search for Mickey Mouse. Okay, great, a lot of content here. But since I started the video with Steamboat Willie, let's search for it here in the search bar on the top right. And there it is. Let's click on it. When we scroll a bit down, we can see that it is now in the public domain and that it is not copyright protected. You can even write comments here. It seems that a lot of people are really relieved that Mickey is finally free. Okay, let's scroll back up and play the video just to get a preview. Just amazing. Now let's download the video. Go to Download Options and choose a format. I'm going to choose MPEG 4. Now just wait till the video is playing. And then click on the three dots and then press Download. While the video is being downloaded, let's create the script for our video. We are going to use Google's AI chatbot called Bard. So let's go there and ask something along the lines of, please write me a narration script for a YouTube video about Mickey Mouse, Steamboat Willie, and then press enter. Look at that. It gave us an entire script for the narrator, and it even added scene descriptions. Let's also ask it to give us the narration text only. That will be helpful for later. Okay, great. Now we are going to use the next AI tool. It is called 11 Labs, and it is an amazing text-to-speech tool. You can use it for free and you get 10,000 characters per month. But keep in mind that you won't get a commercial license. So I recommend getting the starter subscription or the creator subscription. They are both at a discount and the starter plan is only $1. Okay, let's go to the speech synthesis and paste the narration text into the text box. But now we need a suitable voice. Let's go to the voice library and listen to a few of them.
One of the advantages of being disorderly is that
nothing ever goes away until it is.
I allow my intuition to lead me.
A failure is a man who has blundered.
Love doesn't make the world go round.
The final proof of greatness.
This one is great. Let's add it to our arsenal. Now we can go back to the speech synthesis and select the voice we just added. There it is. Now click Generate.
Welcome to the world of Disney, where dreams come true and imagination takes flight. Today we're taking a journey back in time to the very beginning of an era when a little mouse named Mickey Mouse...
That sounds amazing. Let's download it. Great. In the meantime, our Mickey Mouse video has also finished downloading. Let's put both files in a new folder to keep things organized. Now we need to edit and create the video. You can use any video editing software, but we're going to use CapCut. It is free to use and very user-friendly. So let's open a new project. And now drop the public domain video and the narration audio in there. I always turn off the main track magnet. It is easier to work without it. Next, we need to adjust the volume of both clips, like I am doing right now. And since Google Bard did such a great job, we can look back on our chat and follow the script entirely. So yeah, just go back and forth and cut and place the audio where the script tells it to go. To switch between the mouse and the cut tool, you simply press A and B on your keyboard. Here is a speed run of me editing the video. And guys, I also changed the aspect ratio to 16:9 to get a YouTube widescreen video. To do that, just go to Ratio and select the one you want. If you want a channel name, just go to Google Bard and ask him something like this. I choose The Wonderful World of Everything. So now that we've got a name, let's create a logo which we then can implement in the right corner of our video. We're going to use Canva for that. Canva is free to use, and they also have a 30-day free pro trial available. Go to the search bar and search for YouTube logo. And then select a blank page. Now you can get really creative here and try everything there is. But I simply combined some elements that I found in the graphics tab. I combined this earth with a crown and a funny tongue. To download your creation, just go to Share and click Download. Now don't forget to tick the transparency box and then click Download again. Okay, great. Let's add that logo to our video in the top right corner. I also added an effect to our logo. This way also the black areas are visible. As a final touch, we can even add AI subtitles. Go to Text and then Auto Caption. Select the source language, which is English, and then press Create. Look, there it is. But right now it looks a bit plain. Let's change the way it looks and moves. Simply click on one of the text boxes, and then on the top right click on Templates. Now select a template and the subtitles will magically change the way they look and move. Find the one you like the most. I really like this one. I think it perfectly fits the vibe of the Steamboat Willie video. When you are done, click on Menu, File, Export. Choose a file name and destination, and then export your video. Before I am going to show you the end result, I want to tell you that the possibilities are endless. Because look, other films, books, music and characters from 1928 are now also available. For example, Charlie Chaplin, The Circus. And guys, I highly recommend you watch my video where I show how you can sell your own books using AI. In that video, I also go in depth on how you can utilize public domain books and which sites to use and how to edit the book. So, if you're interested, the link for that video is in the description. Okay, now let's watch the end result together.
Welcome to the world of Disney, where dreams come true and imagination takes flight. Today we're taking a journey back in time to the very beginning of an era when a little mouse named Mickey Mouse made his grand debut and forever changed the landscape of animation.
I have to cut it right here because, oh, the irony. After uploading the Steamboat Willie to YouTube, I immediately got a copyright claim. Like you can see here. Does that mean that this video was absolutely worthless? No, it just means that it can take some time that other copyright detectors like the YouTube algorithm are fully updated. I truly believe that the method I showed you can and will help you in your path to success with your Faceless YouTube channel. And to be clear, I disputed the copyright claim, and now Disney has 30 days to respond to it. If they do not respond, the copyright claim will be gone. But yeah, in other words, I also did not want to wait another 30 days to give you this valuable information given in this video. Okay, now follows the outro. And that's it. Now it is up to you. Go ahead and leverage the vast public domain library. Add value to it and make millions of people happy. Become a millionaire. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.